So in this problem, we have a total of 2,598,960 possible 5-card poker hands from our standard deck of 52 cards. What we want to know is that how many of those 5-card poker hands contain at least one non-face card. And so again, in this case, if what we want is at least one non-face card, then for the complement, what we want is no non-face cards, or said a different way, we want all face cards in our 5-card hand. So in our standard deck, our number of face cards, we have 3 types of cards. We have jokers, queens, and kings, and in each one of those types of cards, we have 4 suits, and so we have a total of 12 face cards in our deck, which if we then want to draw a 5-card poker hand from those, we do 12, choose 5 of those cards, gives us 792 possible hands with only face cards. And so coming back to what we want, we know that we have a total of 2,598,960 total hands, and 792 hands that we don't want, hence subtracting those gives us a total of 2,598,160 hands that we do want.